the yo-ho-ho, and the pirate full of them.
All right, we're up.
$15.90 win. I
Hey,
think
we'll
we're
see you
done,
later.
man. We're calling it a day. I think we're up. What's up, you guys? We are back here at the Bellagio, one of the more center strip iconic hotels here in Las Vegas. And last time we were here, we stayed in the Staywell King Corner Suite. And if you haven't seen that video, you definitely should check it out because it was absolutely beautiful. Right, Dave?
Yes, that's right.
Wait, the folks can't see you in there. Come out of there.
All right,
Come
hold
out
on,
of there.
hold on.
Come on out of there.
And this time we're staying in the cheapest room here at the Bellagio called the Premier King. And I gotta say, it looks pretty nice.
Now, we have a lot to cover here, so I think it's about time for us to get this party started here at the Bellagio. You ready to rock?
I'm ready.
Let's rock! And door slam. Welcome to our Premier King here at the Bellagio. Now, I will say this, even though this is the cheapest room here at the Bellagio, they've updated it. It looks pretty fresh and updated. So let's kick things off here with the bathroom. Now, that's a nice bathroom. It looks pretty updated, right, Dave?
It does, yes.
Yeah. Now, I will say it does not have a bathtub, but there is a massive shower in there, so you could have at least like 8 folks. So pardon the shower. Anyway, let's check out this living room space. So they do have this sort of like, looks like a bar meets your dresser drawer space. And I think this is, oh, wait a second. Is that oh no. The dreaded mini bar.
Yeah, no fridge in here, right? Just a mini bar.
But dang, they got some great stuff up in there. And it's soft closing drawers. But it's no, hey, so you're gonna have to BYOW, bring your own waters or enjoy what's here. But it's a nice TV in here as well. But that couch looks a little comfortable. What do you think, Dave?
Oh, it's very comfortable.
Ooh, spacious. Well, not bad for the cheapest room here at the Bellagio, but let's see what the cheapest views at the Bellagio looks like out the window. All right, last, but certainly not least, is this, the bed. Now, it does feel pretty comfortable. And I know Bellagio standards are pretty high, but there's only one true way to determine its comfortability. And that's what, Dave?
Well, that's the bed test, of course.
That's right, y'all. It's time. For the bed test. So one of the very cool things here at the Bellagio is actually being able to enjoy the Conservatory here, which is a free sort of exhibit. It happens several times a year, and there really are some incredible exhibits here. Now, I'm curious to know which one of the exhibits throughout the year is your favorite. Would it be Christmas? I mean, right now it's sort of the tiger, year of the tiger, I'm assuming. But this looks absolutely fabulous. The Christmas display was really cool. Let's go check this one out for sure. Oh, and check this out here, you guys. So this is the tiger drinking water here, just enjoying a little bit of magical, mystical waters. That money tree right there. Gotta rub some of those coins for slot play maybe later. Bring in the money. And of course, you cannot come to the Bellagio without checking out the Bellagio Patisserie. They have the world's largest chocolate fountain And oh my, it was created by Jean-Philippe Marie Millier Ovier de France. Something like that. Now, Bellagio is even home to Prime Steakhouse, and we've been to a ton of steakhouses here in Las Vegas, but have yet to try Prime. Well, that's gonna happen today. Now, that'll be in a different video. It might be before this drop, or might be after, but we're definitely gonna be checking out Prime, so stay tuned for that video. Yum, yum, give me some. It just goes on and on and on and on. As per usual, it's time for us to have a little fun here at the Bellagio. A little slot action. And we're playing a game that we played at Circus that did right by us.
Yeah.
So we get this party started?
We got ourselves 2 for 2 on this one. I'm ready.
We are playing a little bit of Bacon Deluxe. And oh my gosh, that Graham looks pretty good. And he is, you hear that, y'all? He's ready to explode, piggy wiggy.
He's been picking out.
So Dave, how are we playing this tonight?
Okay, we're gonna put a couple 200 in.
All right,
Start out,
kicking it off
200
with
in.
200 in.
All right.
Let's kick it off.
Let's get it.
Okay, so the objective again is I kind of forget this, but I think you need to get 3 of those piggies and 1, 3, and 5. I like that. Rake in the bacon. Oh. Boy, that piggy can hold a lot of
I know.
Hold on a second. Let's give it a squeak. Oh, there it is.
Come on, you feel a little.
Come on,
Your
piggy.
belly's about to explode.
Okay. Let's keep going with those spins. Sorry about that. We lost a little power on it. Bonus. Oh, rack them up. 3 extra
More
spins.
Okay.
Oh, there you go. Raises it up 1 higher.
All right, I like it.
Nice. Oh, got another one.
Nice.
Woohoo!
Moving on up. Moving on up.
Oh, there's another. Let's keep them going.
Moving on up.
Oh, there it goes. Keep them cranking. Oh, another one. Rake in the bacon, baby. All right. Well, what do we got going on there? $39 win. Not bad, but I think that was a pretty positive experience.
Right. Do you want to keep it going, or
Do
let's
you
see
do
if we
a,
get that thing
do
explode?
a couple
or?
more backup ones, maybe down to 150?
Okay, we'll go to 150.
All right, let's see. Here we go. Ooh.
Right, that thing is holding on. Whoa, come
That
on.
piggy
Let it
can
out.
hold
Let
on.
it out.
Let it out, piggy.
Let it out.
Come on, let it out, piggy.
You can let it. It's
Let it
okay.
out. Let it out.
It's okay. You can do it.
Little $2 win to keep the 150 opportunity
going.
alive. Oh, 2 of those. Woo!
Oh,
That's a good win right
That's a
there.
nice win.
Nice little $16.60
Yeah,
win.
not bad.
Brings us right back up to work on that.
Exactly. See if we can get the piggy to
Piggy.
explode.
Okay. Nice little $6.40 win there.
Nice. Warming up.
Keeping us alive. Oh, explode,
Come
piggy.
on, piggy.
I give him props. He's got a strong.
Yeah.
Ooh, okay. A little
24
$24 win.
Yeah, nice. Keep us alive for sure.
All right.
Okay, so question here, babe. Do we stop now, move on, or just kind of give it another run here, try to get the old piggy to explode? It's actually been, we're only down a little bit, about 18 bucks, 17, 18 bucks.
I think we call it quits and move on.
Okay, I like it.
You think, yeah?
That sounds good.
All right, better to be down a little than down a lot. All right, so next up here, we're gonna give it one more shot, is Cash Falls. And look at that mega. And what are we doing here, Dave?
Okay, start a set denomination.
Okay.
I think we'll try maybe $1.50 to start. Ready?
All right, let's rock it. Ooh, there's a mini in there, which is 20 bucks. I'd like to fill up that row. That's kind of a nice one.
Yeah, we got
Oh,
something.
look at all those. Nice.
A little something.
A little something there. A little $9 win.
You tend to get a lot of these little ones.
Yes. The little ones kind of give you a good tease.
Right? And there they go. Oh, another
All
one.
right, another little one there.
Another one.
All right, little $18 win on that one. Oh, come on, one more.
Oh! Give me that bonus.
Oh, all right.
Little something.
Get a yo ho ho. And the pirates full of them.
All right, hey, we're up.
$15.90 win.
Hey,
I think
we'll
we're
see you
done.
later.
Hey, we're calling it a day. I think we're up. What was that, 204 bucks?
We're up $4.
Wow. All right, Dave, what do you think we should do? Do you keep going? Do you
I
stop
say-
while you're ahead?
I
$4
say we
bucks.
stop while we're ahead.
All right, I like that. All right, so we're gonna stop here while we're ahead, you guys. I
We're
know
cashing out.
we can keep going, but we're cashing out. 204.08, $4. High five!
My $4.
This is a fun little spot here at Bellagio. So right when you walk in the entranceway, where like the glass, kind of the blown out glass ceiling is this place called Petrosian. And Saturdays and Sundays, we were here before. Remember that? We were here, we actually had like brunch, which is Saturday and Sunday. But here you can have like drinks and light bites. And it's kind of a first come, first serve, so you can't make a reservation. So we're really excited. Now, I'm not sure I'm hungry. They do have like caviar service and everything else here, but I'm feeling a little bit of maybe a nice wine or old fashioned. What do you think, Dave?
Yeah, I think that sounds good. Maybe a nice glass of wine or something.
It's nice to kind of just come in and enjoy a little bit of this spot. I mean, the decorations in here are beautiful. It does have a lot of music kind of pumping and
Yeah,
going
definitely.
on.
Oh, yeah. And it's a nice little spot here. I love the piano player out front of Petrosian. Really nice. We had a lot of nice times in here, too.
Oh, yeah, for sure. Oh, yeah. And they do have, like, again, a small menu. Now, this is new. This is kind of where it's like, it basically is tap your smartphone. You can kind of preview the menu on here. And so I figured, this is a great little spot to have. And here they come. Some wonderful
Oh, great. Thank you.
Pinot Noir. Let's give a little toast.
Cheers, baby.
Cheers. Welcome back to Bellagio.
All right, baby. I love you so much.
I love you so
Bye-bye.
much.
And one thing about like the Bellagio, it's like kind of iconic Vegas, right? I mean, it's such a legendary spot here in Vegas now, center strip with everything. It's it's always kind of cool being here.
Oh, yeah. Nothing here is really cheap.
Not at all.
And it goes
Not at
to
all.
test the fact of its
Yes.
history, its reputation.
Exactly.
And here at Petrosian, it's really great. You can kind of come in. They even have like caviar on the menu.
Exactly.
They'll give you, once you have cocktails, you get a little tray of goodies.
Yeah.
Have some popcorn for a movie.
A little popcorn. This is some expensive popcorn. Yeah, and you're right. There's no cheap eats
No.
at Bellagio. Now, there's some amazing restaurants, which we've actually eaten at. I remember we were almost at the grand opening of the Mayfair Supper Club. That's
Yes.
pretty cool.
Oh,
Very
the
nice.
shows.
And remember that?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's
That
nice.
that just took me back right there. It was
Right.
so amazing. The food was great. The staff was great. The ambiance was wonderful. But do you remember the pool? So
Yeah,
when we were
yeah.
here, we're actually here during the winter months,
Yes.
and the pool was really warm, but we did not want to get out. Remember that?
Oh yeah, I do, and it's a beautiful pool complex.
Check it out.
Yeah.
Remember that restaurant that kind of overlooks the pool here?
Oh yeah, Siddell's.
Oh, what a great experience.
Yeah, it is nice. It's a nice breakfast spot.
This is a great way to just unwind and relax and enjoy that $4 we won on the slot machine
Exactly.
tonight.
Well, we look out on the floor and see other people all winning big money.
Big money.
Everyone's winning. out
Everyone's
there.
winning. Big money.
They're all winning. Everyone's smiling.
Everyone's a winner. Well, now back to where it all began. I will say overall our stay here in the cheapest room at the Bellagio, it's a great room and a great experience once again here.
Yeah, no, absolutely. But certainly the Bellagio isn't cheap overall. Now this room wasn't so bad. We actually got a rate of $79 a night.
Yes.
But that does not include a resort fee, which is like $45 before taxes.
Wow.
Right.
Yeah.
So definitely not not cheap when you factor that in.
No, not at all. But hey, at the end of the day, you are center strip where all the action is here in Las Vegas, and it's a very popular and high demand spot. So hey, take a second if you have not done so. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you get up every time we post something new and exciting. As always, thanks for joining us, World Fam, and we look forward to seeing y'all
In Las Vegas!
and maybe at the Bellagio.
Ha ha!